Welcome to Alley Picked, and today's quick tip. Do you want to know what the problem is with most tool reviews? The reviewers test the products short term. For example, when I reviewed this Gela orbital sander 2 years ago when it was brand new, I suggested it as a good, inexpensive option for your first orbital sander. Now it's broken. I had no idea how long this orbital sander would last. The one thing you never know about a tool, a TV, a kitchen mixer, or even a car is how long they're going to last. The general rule we like to live by is if you buy quality, you buy it once. If you spend more money now, you spend less money later. If it's cheap, it's cheap. Now here's a Craftsman orbital sander that I bought 7 years ago. I think I paid around 60 bucks for it. It still works. The Velcro pad here needs to be replaced. After 7 years, that's kind of to be expected. I also have here a DeWalt sander. This one is going to replace the broken one. Is it a good sander? It appears to be good quality. Will it last a long time? I have no idea. There are some YouTube channels out there that tear tools apart and show you how they're made. This will give you a good idea of how long they're going to last. There's other channels that stress test tools to their breaking point, but those videos are not always easy to find for your specific model. So here's my tool quick tips for today. Look for channels like Project Farm that tests tools, or AVE that breaks down and inspects tools so you can see what they're made of and get an idea how long they're going to last. Or mechanics channels, because they're the ones that keep repairing our stuff that's breaking. Now, we all know that many tools and products, they're not made to last, or for that matter, to even repair. Lastly, if you buy a no-name, knockoff, inexpensive brand made in China or bought on Temu, don't expect it to be a high-quality, lifetime tool. I'm Tom, and that's today's quick tip.